Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, everyone, or good evening, everyone. I am here today to talk to you about This Is Sand. And This Is Sand is pretty cool. And what I've done is I've gone to This Is Sand. As you can see, it is thisissand.com, quite literally, in our URL area. And you might have gotten here from a link. Now, if this is your first time, or if this is your first time on this particular device, which it is for me, when you come here, you might have this lovely image of saying Adobe Flash Player is blocked. Well, don't despair, because if you go up here, you see in the bar up here, and it's got it looks like a little puzzle piece, which is the Adobe Flash Player thing there. A little puzzle piece, and it has a little red square with a little white X. It says Flash was blocked on this page. So click it, click it again like you mean it. And it says Flash was blocked on this page. So click Manage. Depending on where you've gone, you might go someplace where it looks something like this if you're on a school computer or not. But what you're looking for is a way to unblock Flash. So this one here says block sites from running Flash recommended, and I'm going to turn that off. So it says ask first. So I wanted to at least just go ahead and ask me if it's okay. So let's go back to, I'm going to close that tab. As you can see, I have 100 tabs open. And now it says click to enable Adobe Flash Player. So I'm going to click. And now instead of clicking block, it says it wants to run it. Don't click block, click allow. And then it'll bring it up for you in a minute. All right. And then what you need to do is just click start. And it gives you a couple instructions here and there, but I'm just going to say got it because I'm going to demonstrate them for you. So basically what your first screen is, it'll open up, it'll have this dot up here. It might be multicolored, it might just be one color, and it'll have a menu. This type of menu is called a hamburger. So we've got the hamburger, we've got the dot. So let's first check out the dot. The dot, if you click it, it says this is the color palette, and you can do solid colors and multicolors and random colors. Well, I'm going to show you solid color and how to make your own multicolors. So let's say I want to start out with bright green. That's always a winner, right? So what do? I'm just going to click and I'm dragging. And if I wait long enough, there it'll start showing for you. Do you see how it's piling up? I'm going to click this again. I'm going to click maybe black, and I'll come back, and I'm clicking, and see how it's piling up and piling up. You don't have to pile it in triangles, although that's kind of what a lot of people do at first when they first do this sort of thing. You can pile it, and there used to be this wonderful type of craft where people would use like real sand, and they would put it into jars and they would stack the sand like this, and that's what this is a lot like. So let's say I might choose red and then put the red on top of this, and I don't know if you can hear that, but it's a really relaxing sound. And you can just build it up and build it up and build it up as much as you like. So here I'm going to give you a couple pro tips now. Pro tip number 1. Okay, if you go to the hamburger, you can say that you are finished. Okay, if you say you're finished, that means it's going to go away and it's going to give you a blank canvas. If you click the camera, which I'm not going to do just yet, if you click the camera, that's going to bring up a menu. Yours might look slightly different than mine, and it's going to be a way for you to save it. And I think it automatically will save in your downloads folder, which is a good place for it. And I'm just going to call this is sand 1, and I'm going to leave it as ping. Leave it as a ping. The PNG is called a ping, and I'm going to click save, and now it's in my downloads folder for me to do something cool with in the future. You can also take a look at some pretty awesome portfolios of things that people thought were popular, things that were done just within moments ago. So I'm going to click finish to show you what finish is like. Now, finished already? It's kind of judgy, isn't it? And then you can enter your name if you want. Don't enter your whole name. I'm just going to write art teacher. And I'm not going to write a caption. I'm going to say share. And it says it's sharing. And now it's shared, and this is sand. Now, maybe not. I'm not sure. It might show up over in the hamburger area. And I'm going to click done. Yeah, it did. All right. So see, latest. I was the latest person to put a little something in there. Not like my proudest moment of my art career, but it's there. So now here's what I'm going to show you next. This is pretty cool. So if I went ahead and decided, I don't really want to just do one color. I want to do multicolors. Okay, I'm going to click on this. Now watch this very carefully. I'm going to, which set of colors am I going to try to do this with? How about blues? So I'm going to click and hold. See, it just came out. I'm going to click and hold. Click and hold. Actually, I'm not clicking. I'm just moving my mouse. But as long as I'm holding, it thinks I'm adding another color. So check it out. So let's see. I'm going to start doing the sand. And hopefully this will work. And it's doing my first color. And it's going to slowly transition into my second color, which I believe it is, because it's sort of like a white or light gray, which you can't see. I'm starting to be able to see it now. And then any moment, it should be going into that kind of like a periwinkle blue. Hopefully you'll be able to see that in a minute. Yeah. But see, I'm not doing anything special. It's going to cycle through the colors that I chose. And then it might be cool if I started adding some here. It just takes time. And if you're alone and it's quiet, the sound is really relaxing. But you get some beautiful faded colors that way. Or you could transition your colors like crazy. Like you could do let's say I'm going to have bright green, and then I'm going to have light blue, and then I'm going to have a darker blue, and then I'm going to have a pink, then I'm going to throw in a bright red, and then I'm going to go back to blue, and then I'm going to go to light blue, and then I'm going to go to bright green, then I'm going to go to yellow, then I'm going to go to orange, then I'm going to go to bright red. All right, and then let's see. So let's see what happens when I do that sort of thing. Take a minute. But it should transition faster because I have more colors. Ooh. And it does have that same fading effect, which I was actually wondering about if it would have. Oh, and here's another pro tip. Okay, let's say my thumb, which I'm using to hold down My thumb is getting tired. Or let's say, see, I've got my cat on me. Let's say I want to pet my cat while I'm doing this. So Baxter needs to be petted. I can't do this with my hand. So I'm going to go to where I want to add the sand, and I'm going to start it, but what am I going to do? I know there's a fancy way to do it. Double click. Yeah. Now I can pet my cat. And it just starts piling the sand on there. And then I can, whoop, I don't want it to go over that little area. I want it to start here. So I'm going to do another double click, and it'll start again. So it's pretty sweet. So anyway, that's just an intro. I've already had some students who've done some amazing pieces. Somebody's done like this fantastic American flag that it's crazy beautiful. So anyway, you guys go ahead and have fun with this, and I just wanted this to be a little starter on it. It's a very simple program. It's a very relaxing program. I think you can do a lot with it. That's sort of the beauty of simplicity sometimes. So you guys have a good day, and I will see you soon. Bye.